Afraid to climb in it. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Welcome to Green Tech. Get ready to witness bulldozer operators doing the impossible. You won't believe your eyes. These skills are truly mind-blowing. The unforgiving winter road, a zimnik as they call it, becomes a treacherous trap for a fuel truck. Caught in a blizzard, it skids and flips. Two bulldozer operators arrive, using steady coordination and skill to recover the load. Just when things are under control, one dozer slips into a frozen creek, showing how quickly plans can change in these harsh conditions. As the agricultural season approaches, preparing the fields is paramount. Yet, local rivers always present their own challenges. A powerful bulldozer is brought in to break through the thick ice, but it's not easy. The operator adjusts the blade angle carefully, showing how small decisions can affect real progress in tough conditions. Prepare for a blast from the past. We're witnessing a truly unique spectacle. A Caterpillar D8H, a vintage powerhouse, playfully jumping snowdrifts. It's a remarkable sight, showcasing not only the enduring capability of classic machinery, but also the playful spirit of those who operate them. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. We dive into extreme excavation with Expente, a seasoned crew tackling dangerous, non-compliant terrain around Montreal. The operator's skill is clear, though the approach may raise some eyebrows. But in this line of work, it's not about perfection. It's about what gets the job done. Here's a scenario that puts both man and machine to the ultimate test. We're witnessing a powerful Cat D 8N push loader assisting a Cat 621B scraper. Their task is demanding, moving massive quantities of earth. However, even these titans of the construction world aren't immune to getting stuck. What would you do in this situation? Witness history. The Caterpillar 666, Cat's largest motor scraper, embarks on its first road trip. See this colossal machine gracefully navigate public roads. Recently refurbished, its power and presence are breathtaking. Pure engineering marvel in motion. Next, a perplexing demolition. The BC Cobb plant's smokestack in Michigan comes down. But seriously, this method looks incredibly dangerous. Was this really the best way? Soteriatus Labrianidis demonstrate how industrial demolition should be done: controlled, precise, and safe. With tools like pulverizers and hydraulic breakers, they dismantle each part with planning and coordination. It's a clear example of experience guiding every move on complex demolition sites. This is why you never go cheap. As one pro points out, a 16-ton crane can't lift 16 tons at full extension. Common sense, right?
Не зря снимали.
HTZ bulldozers being unloaded. Cool to see the scale of these machines. Still, why the ramp instead of just firing them up and driving them off?
That track, the engine compartment's almost like track down there. Look at this heaving. As you see, that leveling cylinder is up. I think I'm done without some. God gone, I think. So that'll hold that truck.
That Timco is seriously bogged down.
Hold on.
Getting stuck in a deep swamp while logging spruce is no joke. I am wondering if that 848H deer skidder has enough muscle to get it out.
Boom got behind center, perpendicular, I should say. Well, you are gonna go stand in it. That track was.
Вот, послать. Не задел. Пили. Все стоят на изготовке.
Extracting a tractor stuck in ice and water is no small task. It's clear this crew knows their stuff, getting that frozen tractor out so quickly and without drama. Their hard work and good planning really shine through. What a fantastic effort. You can really see the raw power of that bulldozer in action. Without it, that Kamaz would have been gone. How much does one of those even weigh? This scene is a vivid reminder of why site assessments are critical. Mud like that can trap even the biggest machines.
Yikes!
Такая дурь, да, у движка?
Блядь, ороситель.
Его надо было изначально отсюда пустить. Делай. Что сделать?
Oh, but it goes down as you.
Watching these giants at work, the Cat D6K2's blade, moving roughly 5 cubic yards of sand each pass, and the New Holland 1 56.7 smoothing with a 12-foot grader rack, is pure art. The driver's reverse precision at 7 miles per hour matches each push. It's a masterclass in road work, showing top-tier US standards. Imagine being the driver of that MAN TGX 41.680, towing a 107-ton Komatsu D475A. The engine power of that bulldozer at 890 horsepower is impressive, but the skill of the human behind the wheel of the transport truck is equally remarkable. It truly showcases how heavy-duty jobs need heavy-duty expertise. The sheer scale of this work is something else. However, with blasting, even small missteps can have big consequences. Every worker deserves to go home safe and sound after a shift. An unexpected Bobcat rollover steals the spotlight and offers priceless insight on hill safety. Who else is taking notes to prevent their own near misses? Is horsepower or grip the true champion? With Komatsu's weight tipping the scale and traction locked, Did Cat D8R's single ripper ever stand a chance? Find out which giant won the showdown.
Ground and proceeding to pass the cat. The line.
Behind every screech of the multi-axle, Kenworth lies human skill and split-second judgment. See how a lone spotter in red directs inch-perfect alignment on dusty slopes. Even the giants can fall. This Komatsu PC1250 hit a soft patch and got stuck fast. But watch the operator. No wasted motion. Pure skill and machine control gets the job done. My hands are sweating just watching this. The ground looks like it could give way any second. That dude has nerves of steel. One wrong move and he's gone. Don't slip, man. Ever rigged a crane to lift a busted bulldozer? What's your checklist to keep the rigging and crew safe? A close backup on that icy ramp proved risky, causing the ADT to tip sideways. Kudos to the skilled crew who righted this heavyweight beast without damage. This majestic, eerie steam shovel, a true marvel of the industrial era, used roaring steam to power massive pistons and cables as the operator's cabin slowly revolved. Imagining that rhythmic hiss and weighty bucket evokes nostalgia for hands-on steam-era engineering grit.
Я так и думал, что он передними взорвется.
Recalling old pioneering tales of forging winter trails, watching this PPU hauled through the stream brings that adventurous frontier spirit to life. Each splash and grind evokes memories of early expeditions across frozen northern landscapes.